Lots of databases allow you to import content into EndNote, meaning that you can build up your collection of references quickly and easily. I'm going to use iFind to show you an example of how that can be done. I'll just do a search in iFind. Now I'm going to select the references and books that I want to export to EndNote by clicking the box to the left. So that's selected some. Now if I go to the top of the screen here, it's telling me how many records I've selected. And over at the side, the three dots is an Actions menu, which allows you to export. You can see EndNote here, but that's a little bit misleading because that's for online EndNote. In this case, we're using desktop EndNote, so we need to use this Export RIS option. That's commonly used in this sort of package. So I can download. A file will appear at the bottom of the screen, which I can open. It allows me to export to EndNote. And there we have those references neatly popped into EndNote. Now it's always worth having a check that the information in the references is completely correct. So if I just open one, here we can see in the publication it's got a place here, but it's got the same place here. So I'll just delete that. So sometimes it's worth just tidying them up a bit. EndNote will produce you good-looking reference lists, but it does need the accurate information to be in EndNote before that can happen. So now we've got a set of references on leadership that I can use. As I said, this works with lots of databases, things like Web of Science, Scopus, PsycInfo, and many more. The technique is pretty similar, but you can find precise instructions for each database on our EndNote library guide.